Soothing beauty, offbeat tourist attractions, spiritual ambience, the sacred river, humble people, and zealous culture. Assam boasts plenty of fascinating secrets. Hey guys, it's me Aish and today's episode of Incredible India. Let's explore the state which is gift wrapped with rolling fields of aromatic teas and canoes sailing down the Brahmaputra river. Grower of the country's maximum share of tea and home to some of the best wildlife sanctuaries, Assam never fails to overwhelm the wanderers with its beauty. In the last episode, when we were in Arunachal Pradesh, we saw the longest river bridge, Dhola Sadhya, that connects Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Come, let's travel on that bridge to reach Assam, shall we? With Dispur as its capital, this state is situated south of the eastern Himalayas, along the Brahmaputra and Barak river valleys. It is bordered by Nagaland and Manipur to the east, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram and Bangladesh to the south, and West Bengal to the west via the Siliguri corridor. Come, let's explore this vibrant and happening land of Assam, which calls every enthusiastic traveler to get bathed in its scenic beauty. Explore the world's largest river island, Majuli, surrounded by the Brahmaputra. This island is well known for the vibrant culture and tradition. The world's smallest inhabited river island, Umananda, is also located in Assam. Also known as Peacock Island, this island is hugely popular as it inhabits the golden langurs, one of the most endangered primate species. Admire the lush green tea gardens. While every district has a light or dense plantation, Jorhat is the best town amongst all, to witness the most natural wonder in all its glory. Bringing home to the great one-horned rhinos and many other exotic species, Kaziranga National Park is a major attraction in Assam. Bihu is the most famous festival of Assam, which is celebrated thrice a year to welcome the offerings of different seasons. Assam Tea Festival is held in several parts of the state. It is a unique experience being at the festival. Cruising in the heart of the Brahmaputra river and witnessing the sunset is certainly one of the top fun things to do in Assam. Unveil the facts of our home kingdom. The Ranghar, the amphitheatre, the Karhan Ghar, the last palace of the kings are one of the most famous historical attractions of Assam. The world's biggest weaving village, Sulakuchi, is located here. Every Assamese home has a weaving machine. Sulakuchi produces the best quality silk in the state. Go for a religious visit to Kamakya temple to catch a glimpse of the state's cultural side. Digboi, also known as Oil City of Assam, is home to one of the oldest refinery in Asia. Its scenic beauty is well known and it reminds of the British colonial era. Indulge in adventurous expeditions like river rafting and angling. Namiri National Park is quite popular for adventurous activities as Jia Bharoli River passes through it. Haflong in Assam is also called as the Switzerland of East and it lures nature admirers from across the globe. Take a religious trip to Hajo, which is nestled beautifully in the banks of the Brahmaputra. It's an ancient pilgrim site for Hindu, Muslims and Buddhists. Dhubri, a serene hamlet, also called as the land of rivers, is one of the oldest towns in Assam, and its impeccable beauty is worth exploring. Enjoy the sunset and the scenic beauty in Tezpur. Now, let us see some interesting facts about Assam. The name Assam is derived from the word Asama in the Ahom language, meaning peerless. The native language of the state is Assamese. White-winged wood duck, also known as Dioha, is the bird of the state. It is on the verge of extinction. The state animal is the famous one-horned rhino. Same as Arunachal Pradesh, foxtail orchid is the state flower and holong is the state tree for Assam too. India's widest river Brahmaputra flows through the state, making the land fertile for agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation of people in Assam. It accounts for 63% of the state's workforce. Rice is a staple diet. People in Assam eat it every day along with fish, meat and vegetables. They prefer eating non-spicy food. Assam is gifted with a variety of flora and fauna, including the great world-famous Indian one-horned rhino, Royal Bengal tiger, golden langurs, the Gangetic dolphins, etc. Assam has 18 wildlife sanctuaries and 5 national parks, out of which 2 of them are declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Assam connects the rest of the northeastern states with the mainland of India via a small strip of land called the Siliguri Corridor. Assam has its own state anthem, O Moor Apnoor Desh, written by poet Lakshminath Bezora, adopted in the year 1927. People of Assam have traditionally been craftsmen for the time immemorial. Some of the different forms of crafts and handicrafts are cane and bamboo crafts, metal crafts, wood crafts, masks, jewelries, terracotta, traditional painting, and etc. I hope you liked this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below on which aspect you like the most. Stay tuned for more of such videos. Coming up next, Blissful Bihar. Until the next video, bye.